welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. If you don't know me, Ashley with no E. Hey, ding ding. Anyways, I hope you're having a fantastic day because I am, and I just got ready and I am going to dinner. But I wanted to do a quick video on what I got for Valentine's Day, luxury style. These are some stuff that my boyfriend, who lives with me, I live with my boyfriend. I am a teacher, so one gift that I'll be showing you is from one of my students, and yeah, I am so excited. Stay tuned. Please give it a like and subscribe if you like luxury stuff, because I do. Who doesn't? Duh. Anyways, subscribe and let's keep watching. So the first thing, I know you're here for this. Let's be honest, you're here for this. But I got some goodies. But the first thing I want to show you guys that really touched my heart was my father. He got me this beautiful ring. And I am allergic to certain silver or platinum or like stuff, custom jewelry. So everything I put on has to be gold or else I get rashes, and it's really disgusting. I'm fortunate that I am able to I'm gonna get cut. Anyways, so the first thing my father did get me, I was very fortunate he did, is this beautiful ring. It is gold. I do not know what type of this cannot be a diamond, what type of stone it is, but it is freaking beautiful, guys. Look at that. And it is gold. Look at that. Hopefully I'm in frame. And it is a little big on me, but I am losing weight here and there. I am fighting, you know, weight stuff like we all do here in New York, because food is freaking good. But you know, it looks so beautiful, and I'll be wearing it tonight. I love it so much. And Dad, if you see this, thank you so much. I'm so fortunate to have you. And I don't think he will see this because he doesn't know I have YouTube, but hey, thanks, Dad. Love you. Anyways, the next thing I got was these beautiful Christian Louboutin shoes, which I'll be showing you. They came in these boxes. You guys know the process. You guys know all about these shoes. These came in this box. It is the Angelina 85 Velours. I'm probably saying it so wrong with a very thick Spanish accent, but it's okay. It was purchased from Sixth Avenue. From Saks Fifth Avenue, and they are in the color black, and they are in a size 39, as you can see there. I am excited to show you guys, which I'll probably be wearing them today for dinner. So, and I have to tell you something, guys. I did not, listen to me. I did not purchase these from Fifth Avenue store. Pretty much my boyfriend kind of helped me pay for them, but I got them from Poshmark from such a low price. These retail $895 I'm positive I'm not wrong. These are so freaking cute, and I got them for $420, which is an amazing deal. If you guys, I know $400 on shoes, it's ridiculous amount of money. I understand. I know I have I know, trust me, I know. But I've been wanting some, ooh, just smacked my face. I've been wanting some Louboutins for so long, and just look at these shoes. The girl that was selling these shoes through Poshmark says she only wore them like 3 times and never again, and she really needed the money, so she was selling it for a lower price. They are authentic. I did make sure they were authentic. The only thing I did see they have kind of wear is on the bottom, on here, and at the point. I don't know who this girl went to kick, but on the point, and you see in the front is just a tad bit, which I'll just take it to get it fixed. I'll just take it. Let me see. I'll just take it to get it fixed. It's not an issue. But look at these shoes, guys. These shoes are amazing. Of course, they came in their dust bag. Each one came in their individual dust bag. But guys, let me close this for you guys can see how beautiful they are. Look at these shoes. They are beautiful. I got them for like 400 bucks, guys. Isn't that an amazing deal? And I don't know, sorry not sorry, but I got them for me. I'm not, and my boyfriend helped me pay for them. I'm not gonna sit here and say, oh hey, I don't, you know, I feel bad, or I don't know. I got them and that's it is. I don't want you to think I'm bragging, but I don't care if you think that. But so yeah, the next thing I got, guys, was this Louis Vuitton tag, which I just bought a bag from Fashion File, which I am waiting in the mail, and I'll be doing a video on that. So it's right here, and this is a tag that I'll be taking tomorrow to the Louis Vuitton store to get it hot stamped. I was thinking about putting my boyfriend's initials and myself initials on it, but I'm not sure if I should do that. I might just do like 2 hearts on it and use it as an accessory on my bag that I purchased from Fashion File and take it from there. Because I feel like if I put like, if I want to resell it and if I put my initial or my boyfriend's initial, it's going to be less of a investment, if I might say, you know what I mean. So I think like if I just put hearts, maybe, you know, it'll sell quick. And if I do ever want to resell it, here's the tag, the price. And also, guys, I got this from Poshmark as well. And this was a purchase from myself to myself. And this girl, I think it was like 60 bucks. Yeah, 60 bucks. And this is pretty much what I paid for. I don't really go to the Louis Vuitton store because I go in and I end up being more broke than what I am. But hey, thing I got, guys, is from one of my students. Her name is Lila. She's so cute and beautiful, and she got me this beautiful makeup bag, which is stuffed with so much stuff. Like who doesn't like makeup? And here I have a lot of stuff. I'm gonna be taking out everything, showing you everything that's in here. And yeah, so the first thing that's here is a Ruby Woo, which is the one I actually have. Of course, I already opened this, which is the one I have. AC Beaut. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a palette. This is a palette. I've never heard of this brand. If you ever heard of this brand, please let me know. Here you go. Let me see. A MAC lip gloss. Lost Invite. I have a nail polish, which kind of looks like my nail, but it's more pinky, I swear. Hand sanitizer. I need this. Working with kids, I'm always dirty. That's what she said. Just kidding. I got a lotion. Ooh. And I should have used this Lashaholic luxury lashes. Look at this. Ready, set, get addicted. Look at this, guys. How beautiful is that? How beautiful is that? I got a Mally Eye Color Shadow Stick Extra. Ooh, look at this color. I like that color. Well, I don't want to do that because I know. And I got a Dose matte lip crayon and a face mask. Mama no. Mama no. That girl's mom knows the deal. So pretty much these are all the things I got. I didn't get a lot, but as always, I'm very grateful for all the things I get, for the love. I remember that, and I sure do remember that it's not all what you get is what you give from the bottom of your heart. It could be a piece of chocolate, it could be a hug, it could be a kiss, it could be an advice. For me, that's all I want, and it's happy, and I'm happy. But I just got a message, just me reminded. Okay, I don't know. But anyways, thank you so much for everyone for tuning here, and I hope you guys enjoy. Remember to give it a like, and yeah, have a great day.